We are taking a look at the definition of what is artificial intelligence, and we really want to put this against the terms of machine learning, deep learning and generative AI so that it's very clear what the differences are. Often, people just say AI when they mean ML or deep learning, so understand that these terms are not used correctly often. But people generally will understand what you're trying to say, so it's not a big deal if you use them out of turn. But let's make sure that we know what they are. Let's first take a look here at artificial intelligence, also known as AI. These are machines that perform jobs that mimic human behavior. Okay. That's the key thing here, is that they are human-like, or doing tasks that you'd expect a human to do. And that is clearly a very broad term of what is AI. And so you can see why a lot of things are attributed to being AI. Then you have machine learning. And machine learning, initialized as ML, is machines that get better at a task without explicit programming. Now, of course, we have to code a machine learning model. But once we have that model and we pass things into it, it's able to complete its task with its very complex algorithms. So you could also just think of it as it's a special algorithm to perform a task that would negate you having to do calculations or programming or things like that. Then we have what is deep learning. And when we think of a lot of the AI stuff, we're usually thinking of deep learning because it's these machines that have an artificial neural network inspired by the human brain to solve complex problems. So you probably have this. You've probably seen a graphic of it, like these nodes, and they're interconnected and they go through layers. That's deep learning. A lot of people call that machine learning, right? But no, that's DL. Then we have Gen AI. So Gen AI, which is more of a marketing term. But generative AI is a specialized subset of AI that generates out content such as images, video, text, and audio. Now I don't have it in the graphic on the left, because it's hard to say where does it go. Does it go here? Right, because it is a subset of AI. But technically Gen AI often utilizes deep learning. Cause when we think of it, and my line's not drawing here today, but when we think of it, there we go, there's the line. Is that a lot of DNA techniques, like large language models or vision models, things like that, are utilizing neural networks. So it is deep learning, okay.